Okay, these are my personal screenshots on how I use this amazing automation with MyGeniusLeads. Let's start the quick tour. First, automate your birthdays. Customize your messages and posts automatically using this software. Ensure everyone is noticed and appreciated. This allows you to scale your efforts effectively as your contact list grows. Manually sending birthday messages to each individual can become time-consuming. Let's help and make sure everyone enjoys hearing from you on their special day. Second, automate connection. Using tools to connect with new friends saves time. There are methods available to send requests to your target market, which means you can carry on doing the things to connect with new leads daily. 3. Organize Messenger. Gone are the days of using planners, spreadsheets, post-it notes, index cards, notebooks, etc. Use the tool that organizes right inside of your Messenger. Label, color code, keep notes, email notifications all at your fingertips. Never lose track of conversations again on Facebook. Broadcast and automate reach outs and follow up, truly working in actual power hour. 4. Clean up your friends list. Using tools to connect with friends saves time. Plus, disconnect from those who are slowing your algorithm. 5. Automate story reach outs. If you use stories, you can automate reaching out to anyone that votes on a poll, engages, or views the story. Customize messages and free up your time. 6. Auto reply and algorithm hack. Set your post to auto respond. Use this exactly how you respond to comments. Set up posts to message anyone asking for information. You use your unique style to create interaction. This keeps a post active for months. 7. Auto engage. Engaging with your friends is crucial. Use a tool to send likes, loves, and even comments based on overall used reactions and comments to posts. The more you engage, the more eyes you have on your content. Lastly, we have trainings with each extension. We also have a great group of dedicated customer service representatives and individual users to help you succeed. Let's get you started saving time and creating the best social media experience for your friends and followers, and ultimately getting you the real-time freedom in your business. Message me today.